everyone. My name is Viet Dung. Currently, I work for Nike Vietnam. My current role is Director of Footwear Manufacturing System Engineering. I study MBA Talent Program, class of 2019. Our teammate in that MBA class, in our cohort, actually connect with each other in a group chats, and we all sharing with each other all of the news, our movements, what is our achievements, as well as do we have any obstacle in our work, in our life. We need advice from our classmates. So that kind of very interactive, and we keep in touch very close. What I would say is networking is really important, not only for the one that already in the company, for our alumni community, but especially for the fresh graduate or the one that are about to graduate from the program. This is really important as you can connect with many people in different jobs, in different ranking of the organizations, and in different industrial and business sectors. That's where you can start to connect and know them better, and you will have opportunities to get their advice to solve your specific problem for yourself, for your companies, and for your careers. What I would say is not only about the knowledge and experience that we learned from the program, but also some pivotal skill set that stay with us forever. For example, the ability to not only search for the right information, but also to analyze those information toward solving our specific problem. That's one thing. The other thing is also even bigger, to keep those skills that working with others, working with teams, so that we can solve organization problems in a bigger scale. What I would say is, could be say goodbye to your couple of next months of free times at night or at weekends to hang out with friends. We can put that aside and focus on the program, focus on finishing what you start with, and finish strong with your study. Then you will realize that you earn a lot from that, making dedication and effort.